a rainy day. Oh, my rain, oh, my pain, oh, my stain. Will we ever refrain? Oh, the disdain. Oh, my cane, oh, my rain, oh, my pain. Oh, my all. Will they ever hear thy call? Oh, my omnipol. Oh, my God of all, thy call. Oh, my all. I hear thy call. Let it fall. Let thy drops drop. Oh, my top, plop on thy crop. Don't let it stop. Thy raindrop, the chosen crop. Oh, my top. Let thy winds blow. Oh, my soul. Will you show? Will you ride this wind below? Oh, my soul. God's winds now do blow. Let go of thy soul. Oh, my man. Do you hear the man? Will you now stand? Will you dare to understand the demand to stand? Stand and demand. Be but a fan of man. Just be but a man. Reveal thy plan. Do what you can. Just be a man. Be a fan. Oh, my mankind. Oh, my divine find. Oh, my humankind. Will you ever open your mind? There's a heaven to find. May that I remind, we are all one kind, of a one of a kind, a mighty find. My mankind, may that I remind, oh, my reality. What will we ever be? Will we build the city of our reality, the city of God's pity? Or will we continue to be witty? Oh, my man, oh, my human, oh, my woman, oh, my fan, untie your band. We have a divine plan. A man can plan. Oh, my man, oh, my human, oh, my woman, step out into this rain. Wash away thy mortal pain. Rinse off the needless disdain. Don't refrain. God's plan is plain, hidden in all our brains, given by those that were slain, for revealing our eternal plane. Step out into this rain. Wash away thy mortal pain. Rinse off the needless disdain.